Alright guys, we're out here with the bunker chunk looking for stripers and bluefish. Storms are rolling in. It's supposed to be raining for the next like 5 days. Thunderstorm, showers, you know, all the good stuff. But anyways, I'm out here. This is supposed to be like the last like good day of like good weather, I would say. It's supposed to rain later, but there's no thunder and lightning. I don't fish in the thunder and lightning for obvious reasons, like no way. But yeah, rain I don't mind. So hopefully the storm front, which is a pretty big one, it blows in some fish, turns the bite on, you know, all the good stuff. Alright, so let's get this casted out. I'm using my typical setup. Daiwa BG 5000, 40-pound braid, 30-pound wire leader, a 7.0 Gamakatsu circle hook with a 3-ounce sinker, and bunker chunk. Let's go. If you guys are not a subscriber, please subscribe. And if you are unaware, I have Blastin'Bass lures hand-painted by myself. The link for those are in the description if you guys are in the market for a new lure. Alright, I'll see you guys when I get a bite. There we go. There we go. Let's get this belly. Oh shoot. Stay pinned. There we go. Whoa. There we go. What is it? Wow. Nice blue. Whew. This wind is ripping so hard out here. It's crazy. Definitely not a giant. Nice blue though. Boy, these things can fight hard, I swear. I'll never get over that. Oh, no, get out of there. I knew that was coming. Alright, let's get this guy landed. Shouldn't be too hard. He's gonna jump again. There we go. He should be pretty much done now. Alright. Nice hook set. So I've noticed that these blues are really hitting like at the outgoing tide. He really almost just bit my finger though. Holy crap. Nice one. Not a bad blue. Not a bad bluey. He's bleeding pretty bad. I think I might keep this guy. There he is. See how bad he's bleeding? It's like Yeah. My neighbor said he wants one, so I guess it's his. Alright. Let's get on some more. Fish on. You're not going anywhere, buddy. You're not going anywhere. I need some redemption. Let me lighten the drag on this guy. I've only got 20-pound braid on here. Only got 20-pound braid. Oh boy. Gotta take it easy on this guy. So the reason why I'm using my lighter setup is because, like an idiot, I had my pole leaning against the railing and I didn't strap it down. Big blue comes and you know the rest. The whole pole went inside the water. Dial BG 5000 gone. Whole pole, whole setup gone. So, yeah, that's the way my evening is going. Just gotta fight this guy light. Whoa. So now I'm using the old Shimano Vanford 5000 carbon shield. We don't have no problem handling blues, but I'd much rather use my larger setup. I really got to tire this guy out. Nice blue. Definitely a nice blue. Oh, don't go over there. There we go. Stay over there. We got 20-pound braid on here. It's Power Pro though. Get out of there, get out of there, get out of there. Come on. Alright, let's try to land this guy. Ah! Snapped it. That's what happens when you get 20-pound braid. You risk snapping it. Ah. All right. Guys, you would not believe what just happened. So I lost my pole in the water yesterday. I was determined to freaking get it back, and I freaking fished it out. Unfreaking believable. This is what I was using, guys. I had a 20-foot paracord attached to this big bunker snag. Dragging it along the bottom, snag it, and I pulled it out. Oh my God, I thought this was going forever. Let's go. I mean, I'm going to have to tear the whole thing down, but I got my lucky rod back. Today's a good day. Let's go. So on this day, I made sure that I loosened the drag so I can avoid losing my pole again. Fish on, baby. Whoa. Nice fish. And just so you guys know, this is not the rod that went into the water. I already had another rod. I bought 3 of them when I first got it, and then I went out the same day I lost it and bought another BG 5000. So now I have 2 of the same exact setups. Nice fish. Oh, there he goes. Nice fish. Man, I could fight these things all day. Love it. Come on, come on. Oh, boy. Now's a good time to get this bell off. Oh my gosh, this guy's digging. Now's a good time to get the bell off, Lionel. Oh, oh, oh. Sweet music to my ears. Not a gator. He's like a gator in training. Oh my gosh. There's some structure right there that I do not want him to get into. It's been like clockwork with these blues. Like, they haven't really been hitting like during like the early daytime, but as soon as like the sun is like starting to go down, evening time, they just turn on. It's like clockwork. Alright, let's get this guy landed. Nice. Oh, he's definitely bigger than I thought. Yeah, I would consider that a gator for sure. They look smaller in the water, but yeah, he's a gator. Nice gator. Let's get him back. If you guys are in the market for a new lure, don't forget that I have some awesome Blastin'Bass lures, hand painted by myself. Link is in the description. Fish on. Stay hooked. Wow. Usually I would try to take the bell off, but I'm not going to even attempt to. I want to keep pressure on this fish. Decent blue. Get out of there. I'm going to wait until he gets a little tired before I attempt to lift him. Because like I said in my other videos, if I don't, when I try to lift him, if he shakes, it's a high possibility that he's going to snap this line. And I don't want to risk it. Although it's 40 pound, I still don't want to risk it. Alright, let's try to get him up. The guys across the water were like, yeah, you got it. Nice blue. Let's get him back. Thank you for the fight, buddy. If you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. He's gone.